Grace Stovetop Jerk Chicken is very moist and delicious. First, we have a hot jerk and a mild jerk. Then you're gonna put in your favorite season, some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, and some all-purpose seasoning. And finish up with more jerk, and you're gonna rub that in. Add your favorite oil to the pan. And what you want to do when you start cooking, pour some hot water in there and baste it. And let that cook for a while, simmer down. If you want to see the whole video, it'll be on my YouTube channel, Eat Good TV.